uh, this is my way of paying it forward. Sports has given me a good life, my family and I. It's given me material things, wisdom and knowledge, great experience. And for me, the best way to pay it forward was just to stake my effort and reputation to pursuing this case with Attorney Ju and Mon Navarro. So, nagwagi po tayo, and this victory is a victory for athletes of the coming generation. It's a victory for our sports leaders. It's a victory for our countrymen in general. So, sana po, dumami pa mga Kaloy Yulog, dumami pa mga Heidelin Diaz, dumami pa mga Alex Ayala, mga EJ Obiena, and I will be happy and satisfied that we've had a small part in that. In a week, in a month's time, in a year's time, we will be forgotten. But that is not important because we did not do this to be remembered. We did this to be of service, whether we're forgotten or not. And we know we will be. But the satisfaction that is knowing that in our own small way, we have paid it forward. And we suggest, we invoke our leaders and athletes to do the same. Make life a little better for those people coming after you. Make the athletes have a better chance of being successful. And give our countrymen a lot more to cheer about. So, salamat po. This is a lasting legacy I'd like to leave to my family. Minsan lang ito mangyayari. I don't think this can be repeated again. But I've always believed that you honor your parents with the person that you become. So I'd like to honor my parents with this award. And I'd like you all to share it because all of you, I know you are here because you love sports. Okay. The best stories in the world are sports stories, are athlete stories. Because they're always authentic. You cannot fake stories of athletes. And so I know a lot of you here have written stories about me. All of you who've been in the sports media. And I'm thankful and happy that somehow maybe I'll be in the stories of the next generation of athletes to come. Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you to Attorney Ju. Okay.